All right, let's go Georgia. Yes, we made it into Georgia. This is it, we made it. Jim's Speed Shop and Restoration. Let's check it out. Looks like he has some pretty cool vehicles around here. All right, we made it to our first destination. We are at Jim's Speed Shop, and it is a performance shop. They do body work, restoration, hot rods. Hey, how's it going?
Hey. Oh man, am I being filmed? I hadn't had my hair or my nails done.
Yeah, right. You knew I was coming. I see your hair's done.
All right.
How's it going?
Those are good boots.
Oh, of course. I always wear work boots.
You just have to figure what concrete by the yard and lumber. I get to factor all these little pieces.
Yep.
Parts, batteries.
Yeah, but
all kinds of stuff.
selling this stuff, the markup, this stuff's easy money.
Hey,
how's it going?
Nice to meet
yeah,
you.
no kidding, man.
So
I can't believe it's been raining since the time I left.
I know.
Overnight.
It's a bad week to come to Georgia.
Yeah, and it's supposed to rain this week, on and off, I heard.
Extra large, right?
Yes, of
We got
course.
a shirt for you.
All
Gonna make
right,
it right
that's
at
awesome.
So I'll give you the grand tour. This is my mess. You probably think it's clean.
Yeah, that's pretty clean. See, my office is in my basement, so when it gets messy, nobody knows about it except for me.
I have one of those, but it's
How long have you been here?
7 years here, 11 years in Georgia, and I was 5 years at the old shop.
Yeah, I gotta talk to you about all that.
This is me. This is my office.
All right, there you go.
I took it over.
This is cool.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is
cool. If you look around, all the little stuff, well, this car is going to literally bring out the little boy in you, and mark my words, you're not going to complain about the horsepower. And I want to even see the smile on your face. Okay? Have you seen any of our test videos?
I watched the trailer. I think it was a trailer that you sent me.
That's my demo tape.
Yeah, the demo tape that you sent me.
Unfortunately, the guy with the black car, we got to go to court. He gave us a bum check. Just trust people, and we've got over $50,000 to collect from customers. This is what I do for my guys. I order here. They love soft drinks, the snacks, the burritos. Anywho.
So you're more of the performance guy, huh? Rather than the body guy.
He's the one that used to drag race. He does everything.
Oh yeah. He built a big motor.
I do everything.
Yeah.
But I did 100-point restos and stuff like that. Yeah.
You're gonna know this is ancient.
So you used to do concrete work.
Look at the color of my pants.
Oh man, hot pink, baby. Hot pink.
Miami Vice days.
Yeah,
80s.
and look at the resolution on these photos. Wow.
Yeah, they didn't
crystal clear.
I had a camera.
You really did know what you were doing. That's beautiful.
It was 3-to-1. That was 2-to-1.
Yes. For me?
Yes, sir.
No charge. All right.
And before
boom. There you go.
$50 down, $75 down, zero financing, right? Hot Rod Jim.
Hot Rod Jim. We'll go with that. Now, you didn't start out here in Atlanta.
11 years ago, and my wife and I looked at each other, and she especially, and I looked, I could see that burning desire and, that sadness, and she was, honey, I want out away from this. And all hell was breaking loose in California, and 268,000 of us in the summer of 2011 alone, this was around June, July, we were known as the Exodus.
Yeah. It's actually still continuing to this day.
Correct.
Yes.
So you've got like the poorest of poor, and then you've got the elite and the rich, and the middle class, they just decimated. But the thing is, you have to love and enjoy what you do. Yep. You have to believe in yourself.
Tell me about the shop. What type of person would bring you their car? And you said something interesting earlier when we were here in the shop. You said that people bring their dreams to you.
I say we bring their dreams to fruition. Grown men turned into little boys.
Now you have a few employees I saw as we were working back there. So you have basically a body man and an engine builder.
I have an Eric, a Francisco, and a Bugs. Literally a Bugs.
Yeah.
From Wisconsin. You care about them, they'll care about you respectfully. People like to see you taking something that is from yesteryear's rusted and amazingly restoring it, bringing it back to life, remachining and making a, oh my God, how'd you do that? And I've had that experience in life of what I do here before I started this hot rod shop.
I think it's amazing. I think it's very interesting watching like what you just said, something that's garbage. And you guys, it's every nut and every bolt. It's the body panels. It's the precision body work. It's the precision mirror-like finish on the paint. It's a product at the end that you can stand back and appreciate the hundreds and hundreds of meticulous hours that were poured into that final
I'll give
product.
you a good...
What's your biggest challenge
Collecting
with
money.
a business like this? Collecting money. Yeah, you did mention that. Yeah.
Finding good people.
Yeah.
Collecting money, seriously. And sometimes lately, when you hear about the barges are all stuck off the coast of California, they are.
Yeah.
We've been waiting. We have no product, and it affects every aspect of our human lives. I want to be my own boss. I enjoy and love what I do. I am so proud to be able to say, even though at the end of the day there's not too much money in my pot, I know that there's another tomorrow. But I just gave him his paycheck, and he's got a family, and I'm helping their life. I'm a part of that.
Yep, exactly.
And I feel proud about that. And for people that would hate on that, that's your problem.
Yeah.
Jealousy.
It is. There's a lot of jealousy.
So it goes in one ear and out the other.
Well, I really appreciate it, man. That was awesome. I love seeing the shop. Yeah, you're right.
We're going to go for a little drive in a Mustang.
Oh, okay. I don't know. It's raining. I think it's raining out. So
then we can scratch the tire. We can break traction a lot easier.
So you live about 10 minutes from the shop here?
I live like 8 minutes down the road.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to check that out today if you get it. Wow.
Hello.
Awesome.
Remain seated and keep your arms in the windows at all times.
Attention all passengers.
We're still keeping rubber.
Oh, I know. I can feel it.
This is a mild motor. Now I'll take it easy. Very crisp. He wasn't looking for horsepower, but
it sounds beautiful too.
He's not going to regret it. There's a turnabout here, and then we'll go back to the shop. When you're done with your job, you're proud of it. But
yes.
For this, it's like, this is like your Frankenstein. You created it.
What do you think the guy's going to say when he sees you doing a burnout in his car? Oh, you were testing it. Yes, testing it. You know what you're doing?
No.
At least you're honest.
Hey, those boots aren't acceptable.
Those aren't OSHA approved. You got any work boots? You don't have work boots either.
That's it.
That's just an incredible amount of work to get this stuff all back perfect.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
You priming
And
this?
then keep low spray.
Seal it. Epoxy.
The guy that owns this has $200,000 into this Corvette already. I'm never getting a hot rod, apparently. Honestly, I have a ton of respect for you guys that can figure all this out after you took it all apart. to the last bolt.
It looks like before it's the finished product.
Yeah, so every wire in this thing is going to be brand new.
Yes.
So these are the instructions for all that wiring.
Yes.
Oh, that looks like a lot of fun. I've watched a lot of drag racing, man, like 1320 video. That's very interesting to me. I watched Cletus McFarlane and his whole journey, and
Cletus is the truth, man.
how much does a car like that finished cost, like ready to roll?
160.
150, 160? And then you blow it up, and then you need another 50 to fix the motor the next week, right? That's the truth.
Well, mine, the motor I chose for my whole deal is I'm doing a hemispherical headed twin turbo LS.
Okay.
That's already built. But I told him, look, I need to make 2,600 horsepower. And he said, you'll be close.
Right.
Said, as long as I'm close, we're good.
Well, cool, man. It was good talking with you.
Cool.
I'll let you get back to work. Yeah, it's awesome.
I'm gonna get back at it.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Brian,
All right. Well, it was really nice to meet you
pleasure.
guys. Yeah.
Thank you so
That was a lot
much.
of fun. Very interesting.
Brian, hey, thanks again, buddy, for stopping
Yeah, that was
by and
awesome.
taking the
I
time.
really do appreciate
I
it.
do.
Honestly, that was fun.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that was cool.
All right, I look forward to seeing that.
All right, sounds good. All right, that was super fun. So I'm just leaving the shop. It was good to meet Jim, talk with him. It was a pretty cool tour of his shop just to see what he does over here in Georgia.